Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is excruciating. Excruciating is an adjective that describes something causing extremely severe physical or emotional pain, or an experience so intensely unpleasant that it is very difficult to endure. For example, the runner felt excruciating pain in his ankle after landing badly, forcing him to stop immediately instead of trying to finish the final mile of the race. Waiting for the test results was excruciating because she knew the news could change her plans, yet there was nothing she could do but wait. The final minutes of the exam were excruciating because he still had one difficult problem left and knew he was almost out of time. Synonyms for excruciating include agonizing, torturous, unbearable, and harrowing. Excruciating is often used for severe pain, weights, embarrassment, and difficult experiences, and it emphasizes extreme intensity, not ordinary discomfort or inconvenience. That's excruciating. One word, stronger English.